Most people think financial literacy means earning more money. It doesn't. It means behaving differently with the money you already have, and nobody teaches the habits that actually change your future. So here are 8 tiny habits that quietly make people financially literate in 2026. Habit 1. Save first, not what's left. The moment you get paid, save first. Before bills, before spending, even if it's just 1%. Even if it's just $5, the amount doesn't matter. The identity does. Every time you save first, you tell yourself, I am someone who values my future. That belief compounds faster than money ever will. Habit 2. Increase lifestyle slowly. When income increases, most people upgrade everything immediately. Smarter people pause. They keep their lifestyle the same for a while and let the gap create breathing room. That gap becomes savings, investments, and peace. Wealth grows in the space between what you earn and what you spend. Habit 3. Avoid bad debt automatically. If something needs debt and loses value, pause. Phones, clothes, gadgets. Debt isn't evil, but emotional debt is expensive. Financially literate people design rules so emotions don't make decisions for them. Habit 4. Mindful spending. 24-hour rule. Impulse spending is quiet. It whispers, you deserve this. So here's the rule. For anything non-essential, wait 24 hours. Add it to the cart, close the app, walk away. In those 24 hours, emotion fades and logic returns. Most of the time, you realize you never needed it. This habit doesn't just save money, it builds self-control. And self-control is freedom in disguise. Habit 5. Track every rupee or dollar. Most people avoid checking their bank account. Why? Anxiety, shame, regret. But ignored problems don't disappear. They grow quietly. Check your account every day. Not to judge, not to feel guilty, just to observe. Like checking the weather. Awareness always comes before control. Habit 6. Build a financial feed. You consume hours of content daily without even noticing. Now imagine this switch. Replace just 10 minutes of entertainment with 10 minutes of money education. Simple content, budgeting, investing, avoiding bad debt. Over a year, that's 60+ hours of financial learning. Your feed shapes your mindset. Your mindset shapes your future. Habit 7. Weekly money audit. Once a week, ask one question. Where did my money actually go? Not with judgment, with curiosity. What added value? What caused stress? What do you not even remember buying? Every dollar becomes feedback, and feedback creates progress. Habit 8. Think long-term. Most people decide based on short-term emotions. I want it now. I'll deal with it later. Financially smart people zoom out. They ask, what will this cost me in 5 years? What will this give me in 10? Once a day, imagine your future self. Calm, secure, free. Then choose accordingly. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Financial literacy isn't about money. It's about self-trust. Believing you can handle your life responsibly. That belief is built through tiny habits, repeated daily, not massive income jumps, not perfect plans. So ask yourself, if your habits stayed the same for 5 years, would you like where you end up? If not, start today. Pick one habit from this video. Comment which one you're committing to. Not for me, for accountability to yourself. Your future self is watching. Choose wisely.